this month? Watch Lowcountry Live for Pet Week, October 10th through 14th. Tune in all week long for animal advice and pet-friendly products. Enter a picture of your pet in our cutest pet contest. Just go to abcnews4.com/pets and tune in all week long to find out which adorable animal wins. Pet Week on Lowcountry Live, October 10th through 14th.
And as much as we love our pets, of course we do, we know how important it is to take care of them. And we don't want to cut out any corners, so to make sure our animals get the possible care, or all the possible care, there's places like the Animal Medical Center of Goose Creek. And joining us today from there is Dr. Krista Kahuta and Casey Compton. Hi there, guys.
Good morning.
Now, why is it so important to make sure our pets, our loved pets, get the medical attention that they need?
Well, the most important thing is that our pets can't talk to us. So they can have a sore ear, a sore tooth, all kinds of diseases that they can't tell us about, like you can with your doctor.
Sure.
So it's really important that you bring your pet in for a physical exam so we can find those things and help cure the disease that's bothering your pet.
Now, are they like humans, meaning are animals like humans? Like,
of course.
In the wintertime, are they more susceptible maybe to colds or whatever that is susceptible to them?
It depends. Depends on your pet and the environment your pet lives in. One of the most important diseases that we are concerned about here in the South is heartworm disease.
Right.
Heartworm disease is a disease of parasitic worms that actually live in the vessels near the heart. What happens is a mosquito bites one dog and then comes and bites your dog and transmits the disease.
So it's pretty easily transferred.
It's easily transferred, and because we have so many mosquitoes in the South, all the pets down here are really, really susceptible.
Right. So what can I do if I'm a pet owner and I want to make sure that my little guy's covered?
Most important thing is to go talk to your veterinarian. Your veterinarian can do a heartworm test, can do a physical exam, and recommend some prevention measures that are very budget friendly, very effective, and very safe for your pet.
Great. Now, I don't know if everybody thinks of this, but they definitely should. You want to look at our pet's teeth. Our pet's teeth as well, correct?
Absolutely, absolutely. The oral cavity is a place that a lot of pets have a lot of disease. We know that over 70% of both dogs and cats have dental disease by just 2 years old.
Oh,
so your puppy actually probably has dental disease just by the age of 2. So an important thing we do is examine, do a dental exam, and then we do veterinary dental cleanings. And that's something that's really important for our veterinary technicians. And Casey is one of the veterinary technicians at our practice.
Is it tough work? Do they mind being worked on like that?
Some do. Some mind more than others. The thing that with us that's important is, so we're not only a nurse, we're kind of a radiology technician, a surgical nurse, we're an anesthetist, and just a plain old nurse sometimes, and also client educator. After the doctor, sometimes they have questions for us, things that we can answer to kind of save them some time so that we can talk through things with owners. You know, we go through a 2-year program. We have to graduate from a program that's AVMA accredited, so the American Veterinary Medical Association. We have to pass a national board exam, we have to pass a state board exam, and we have to maintain our license with some continuing education too. So it's a lot of work that goes into it, but it's very fulfilling.
And I'm sure if pets have pain in their mouth, it causes a lot of discomfort probably, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Goodness. And how important is it to get your pets checked as often as possible? Is it every year? Is it more than that?
Absolutely, every year. Absolutely, every year. Come on in, let us check out your pet. 90% of the time, we're not going to find a whole lot. A lot of times we can make some recommendations just to improve quality of life. Little things like some vitamins that can help your dog's joints, make recommendations about weight and food. All kinds of little changes that you can make just to keep your pet healthy and happy and comfortable.
Because what could happen if you don't? Well,
one major problem is heartworm disease. Without using heartworm prevention, if your dog becomes heartworm positive, there's actually only one drug that's FDA approved.
All right.
The problem is right now, that drug is not available to veterinarians. And right now you're looking at a picture of heartworm disease.
Gosh,
yeah, it's scary. The one drug that's available that was available is not currently available to us. So if you do not use heartworm prevention and your dog becomes heartworm positive, there's not much your veterinarian can do about it, unfortunately. And that picture shows you just how serious heartworm disease is. It will cause heart failure in your dog if left untreated.
And the all-important, where can we reach you guys? You're in Goose Creek, where at?
Yep, we are off of Central Avenue in Goose Creek. You can reach us at 569-3647. You see the number up there.
Perfect.
Come on in. We'd love to see new clients. We'd love to meet new pets. We really do try to treat your pet like it's our own.
We love that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
5 days a week, 6 days, 7 days?
We're open Monday through Saturday.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Ladies, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right. And when we return, everybody, Pet Week continues with the 9th book in the #1 New York Times best-selling